Thank you for attending day one of the Grant Readiness Workshop presented by the Winners Club. If you are receiving this video, it is because you need additional support in completing the GATA portal registration. So we're going to walk through that here together now. So you're going to start by logging on to the web page for GATA, which is grants.illinois.gov/portal. If you did not get your sam.gov UEI number, please look at the sam.gov video tutorial to go through the process of getting your UEI. Once you get to the GATA portal page, it's going to take you to authentication. You'll start by creating an account. Once you hit create account, it's going to take you to the authentication page where you're putting your information in there. First and last name, the email address that you use will be the email address that you use to log in, your phone number, and then create a password. Once you do that, you'll hit register. Once you hit register, it's going to send you to this page to send you a validation email. So it'll come from identitymanagement@illinois.gov. Once you get that email and you validate your account, you're going to go back here and go back to this browser or this URL, grants.illinois.gov/portal. Is going to take you back to this page here, but this time you're going to hit sign in here. Once you hit sign in here, you'll go ahead and hit accept, and then it is going to take you to the registration page where you will put that sam.gov UEI number in and hit submit. You'll hit submit. Once you hit submit, it is going to take you to this page, which is also a part of registration. So the first bucket, it'll auto-populate, which is your sam.gov UEI number. I believe it also auto-populates your FEIN or your tax ID. If not, then you put your tax ID in there. You'll select your type of organization. So if you are S Corp or C Corp, you'll put corporation. If you are LLC, they have a selection for that. If you're a 501c3, etc., they have selections for your respective organization type. The Illinois Secretary of State file ID is the number that the state of Illinois gave you when you filed your LLC or incorporation 501c or nonprofit paperwork through the state of Illinois. It's associated with the file number. If you hit the hyperlink next to the bucket, it will take you to the state's website where you can put the name of your business into the search bar and it'll find your business in the system, and then you can pull that file number. Again, you want to put your organization's name in there as it is written on your IRS paperwork for your tax ID number and the organization's address. And then your fiscal year month end and fiscal year day end. So common fiscal year month is December. Common fiscal year day is the 31st of December. Once you've put that information in there, then you'll hit save. Once you hit save, it's going to take you to this verification of the pre-qualification status. So our goal is for all of these buckets that say pending to say good, for the yellow bar above it to be in green, and that means that we are officially in good standing with the GATA verification portal. Now, at the top of this page, you'll see where there's some additional information that you can put into the system. So, namely is the cognizant agency that you are associated with through this GATA verification. The organization that I recommend as just a general catch-all for small business owners and entrepreneurs is DCEO, the Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity, as far as what agency you'll be working closest with. But if you are in a niche group like healthcare or security and defense or where you know that there's a particular agency within the state of Illinois that you would be submitting more grant applications for, then that would be the organization that you would want to select. But either way, it doesn't limit you as far as what applications you can submit, but you do need to select a cognizant agency. So all of that can take a day to 3 days for all of the verifications to process. So if you get here and some things are yellow or red, if you truly know that those are things that need to be addressed, then I would go through the process of getting those addressed. But if not, I would give it a couple days just to finish out the verification. The goal is for you to get your GATA portal to look like this, where everything is in good status and you have the green bar that says your organization is currently in good standing. So I hope this was helpful.